Replacing rack interconnections or making room for required expansions is often identified when the contractor visits a facility. The ability to correct the problem quickly benefits both the contractor and their customer. FIS has set aside a separate inventory location for the 6 most popular preloaded rack and wall mount style enclosures. They are loaded with SC or LC single mode or multimode adapters, along with pigtails or patch cords. Our huge fiber interconnect inventory allows us to accommodate popular variations of rack and wall mounts that can be delivered in 48 hours. This is our promise to you. Consider our inventory, your inventory. We have the ability to offer you rack and wall interconnects customized with your choice of color, your logo, and we can accommodate almost any special design request you may have. We can do this at very competitive prices with only 50 units as the minimum order requirement. This helps to protect your business going forward. FIS sales representatives are waiting to discuss the possibilities at 1-800-5000-FIS and go to our website at fiberinstrumentsales.com to see our full line of product offerings.